In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SendWave to send and receive money. Whether you're new to digital money transfers or looking for a detailed guide to maximizing your SendWave experience, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's jump right in and get started. First up, head over to the SendWave official website. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Continue to Send. Clicking this will lead you to the main interface where you can begin setting up your account. This initial step is all about getting yourself ready to make transactions smoothly, so be sure to follow along carefully as we proceed. Next, you'll need to type in your personal information. SendWave asks for a few key details that ensure your account is tailored to your needs. You'll be entering your name, date of birth, and the purpose of your account. They also require your billing address, including your zip code, city, and state. This information is important for verifying your identity and protecting your transactions, so make sure everything is accurate before moving on. After filling in your details, click on the Finish button. This indicates that you've completed the account setup section. It's a crucial checkpoint because once you finish this step, you're ready to specify the reasons you want to transfer money. This platform allows you to select primary reasons for transferring, which can vary depending on individual needs like personal or business transactions. With these preliminary steps done, it's time to verify your identity. Click on Continue to verify identity. SendWave takes security seriously, so identity verification is an integral process that ensures both sender and receiver are protected. Following this, you will need to select your country and then choose a document for verification. It might be a driver's license or a passport, depending on where you reside. Once your document is selected, simply click Continue. This will take you to the next phase of identity verification. You'll need to click on Start when prompted to verify your identity. Completing this ensures that SendWave can confirm who you are, which is crucial for security purposes. Once that's done, click Done. Finally, it's time to record your face. This dynamic step is a biometric verification process that adds another layer of security, providing peace of mind as you handle your financial transactions. Once the recording is successfully completed, the system will prompt you to continue. At this point, you're ready to proceed and send money using SendWave. And there you have it. You're all set to use SendWave for your money transfer needs. With these comprehensive steps, handling transactions should be straightforward and secure. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy sending with SendWave.